railroad is a good job, good company to work for. You just have to just stay focused on what your part is. It's good and bad in everything. Things that you don't understand and things that you understand. So you just basically have to just stay focused on what you do. And any job defines you. So my best thing that I like to let anybody know, whatever you do the best you can do at what you do. And as long as you're happy with your outcome, everything else will be all right. I've been when we had the worst safety record it ever been, and then I was a part of it when we would go 4 years without an injury. You know, I'm a part of peer support, and because of the employees' respect that they have for me, they'll talk to me about a lot of things, but the main thing I try to tell them is stay focused on what you're doing. And because what we do every day could take your life. We do it and we don't look at it that way, but it can. And stay focused and just take your time at what you do. Well, I actually enjoyed it because I like what I do. You know, even the guys there now, so much younger than me, didn't hire out with me, but the camaraderie, the friendship, you know, it's more of a away from home family. I made it, and it's an honor to be there because who goes on a job thinking they're gonna work a job 50 years? No one.